more than double that in one half. Talking about Sean O'Malley. Third quarter begins 38 to 35. Okay.
He is their focal point on their offense. This is Sean O'Malley. They were running. Ito na naman. Poste kay Sean.
They're throwing now three defenders on Sean.
Hinahawd na talaga doon Sean O'Malley. Pero nagawa niya pa rin ang paraan.
17 points for Sean O'Malley. Just getting everything when he gets to that painted area.
Yes. Hindi naman yung ano niya. Kasi nga, mas malaki siya dito sa mga bigs ng JRU. He needs to pound his heft and his weight dito sa mga JRU defenders.
And teams recognize that. Yung disadvantage ng JRU. Oh, but Lorenaria comes away with it. Duque missing here. Sabi ni Lorenaria sa kanya, dapat nagintay ka ba?
Relax lang. He has a clear shot on that one, pero kailangan mag-relax. Eto na naman. Tony Inot feeding Sean O'Malley doon sa roll. Kaya naman hindi siya pinahiya ni Sean O'Malley for his 19 point. Ito yung pasa ni Tony Inot.
A 4-0 personal run for Sean O'Malley to the delight of Coach Charles Chu to give the lead to the Blazers here for the first time in the game as we go courtside with Fatima Reyes. Fatima?
Martin and Bo, pansin natin na parang naging sakit ng Benil Blazers ang maghabol sa first half as what Coach Charles told them inside the dugout. They're playing like they are not ready for the playoffs. Pumunta daw sila dito expecting a dogfight. Kaya bakit daw sila gumagalaw na parang ang dali kalaban ng JRU? Dagdag ni Coach Charles na si Tony Inot at Sean O'Malley lang daw ang gustong maglaro. Kaya in this second half, Coach Charles wants eagerness from all of them. Last reminder from the dugout was to be more present because in Coach Charles' exact words, somebody needs to shoot. Martin and Bo.
Thanks, Fatima. Strong words. Strong message coming from Coach Charles too.
Yeah. It's a challenge for all of them. Kasi pag tinignan mo, it's O'Malley and Inot naman talaga eh. Pag tinignan mo sa ball game natin, after those two guys, 3 points for Ancheta and then 2 points for Sanchez, wala na.
Yeah.
So it's a challenge for everybody na they need to step up kasi they were trailing.
And they're stepping up here in the second half. 7-0 run to start off the third for the Blazers. They're now ahead by 4. Balik sa ating laban. And it is the Sean O'Malley Show to begin the third quarter. Grabe naman yung Big Sean. We're checking if this is already a career high, but 20 points already for Sean O'Malley. Tony Inot with the last 2 points for Benil, also in double figures with 10.
20 and 10.
Teka, tinan muna natin itong JRU alumni watching here, and included are our 3 performers, di ba, from batch 1972. Sabi ni Dr. Lorenzo, nakasalubong ko sa VIP room kanina. Sabi niya, sila raw yung pinakaunang nag-perform sa intermission from JRU before.
Okay.
Right. So, great to see them back out at center court.
Oh, they're doing what they love.
That's right. Oh, Celis. As we go back in it, Pana-Pana and try to stop it, but Celis will proceed to the free throw line. Medyo nawala ng gas itong JRU sa simula ng ating second half.
Slow start for them. It's already a 7-0 run for CSB. Kaya naman, lamang na ng apat itong CSB natin. It's actually 5-0 from Sean O'Malley. And then 2 points for Tony Inot. Ngayon nga yung challenge ni Coach Charles. It's only Tony Inot and Sean O'Malley. Parang gusto maglaro in today's ball game. Kaya challenge siya yung mga players niya doon na in the halftime na blitz play. Some of the guys need to step up.
And it was a resounding message, and it's working so far.
It is.
Diba?
Oh, it is.
43-38 advantage. And they get the ball back. Enoch is on the move. Tony missing the layup. Ito si Argente. Sean will navigate. Argente has Morales on him now. 12 to shoot. Crossover. Stop. And the score for Argente.
Sabi ni Shora Argente, walang nangyayari on offense natin. Teka lang, ako na muna. Dinaan niyo doon. He get the balls in on top. He get the switch against Morales. Ginamitan ng konting experience.
Enoch misfiring. O'Malley offensive boarding put back for Big Sean.
You need to do a better job boxing out Sean O'Malley. Dahil kapag kaya na i-ano niya yung sarili niya sa gitna, mahihirapan ka na talaga. Sa lapad niya, mahihirapan ka na
22 points. Another rebound for Sean. 22 puntos na para kay O'Malley. Dagdagan mo pa ng 8 rebounds.
Wow.
At 2 blocks. At may steal pa. Enoch.
Parang si Allen Liwag na siya.
Oo, di ba?
Ito, papasa pa. Papunta kay Morales.
First assist for Sean O'Malley. And that's how versatile he is as a player.
Yun naman yung magiging problema mo kasi. If he's making baskets, kailangan mo siyang depensahan. Somebody cut off. Eh talaga namang malilibre yung mga cutters.
Argente off the screen. He connects.
Ito naman.
So, binubuhat na ni Argente.
Oo, kasi nga wala na masyadong napupuntahan eh. Ang ano nila, ang offense nila.
Enoch flips it out. Ancheta from the corner.
Yun. Good find by Tony Enoch. Coming off a drive, finding Jumel Ancheta dito sa left side corner for a 3.
Fifth triple for the Blazers, and the lead is 8. Biggest so far for Benilde. Argente. Aatake. Lorenaria. Ilalapit. Lorenaria.
Supalpal by Morales.
That's good help coming from Morales. Enoch. Hirap na tira na ipasok ng Rafi Celis. And the first double-digit lead for Benilde as we see Sean O'Malley.
He was holding on his knees.
Oh no.
Not a good sign for CSB. Dahil
he's balling out.
Him and Tony Enoch is the...
This was the block by Moel Morales. Lorenaria.
Medyo na hyperextend. Doon, nabagsakan ni Lorenaria.
So, Sean will be helped to the bench. So, they'll treat Sean. This is a big loss for the Blazers, Big Bo. Dahil si Sean O'Malley ang nagsisimula ng lahat para sa kanila.
With 22 points and 8 rebounds. So, pagka nawala si Sean, posibleng magkaroon ng run ito JRU.
We hope we can hear an update from Fatima Reyes later as Lorenaria cleans it up.
Yun ang naging problema mo. Without Sean O'Malley in the middle, who will grab that look, that defensive rebound. Naiwan si Lorenaria doon. He didn't even bother putting the ball down.
Ancheta. Nagahanap ng kakampi. Sends it to Celis, who has 5 to work with. He misses the 3. Ito si Panapanaan. JRU looks to mount a run. Argente back outside. Lozano now from the right flank. Lozano. Panapanaan. Argente. Boom! Sean Argente now with 7 points in the third quarter, and JRU cuts the lead down to 5. Balik sa ating laban. And Sean Argente again carrying this JRU team on his back here in the third quarter. He has 7 points in the third quarter alone. They've only scored 9. And Sean caps it off with a triple over a taller defender in Rafi Celis. 14 points for Sean Argente.
Dalawang Sean natin na nagbubuhat dito sa kanilang team. Sean Argente dito sa JRU. Sean Umali naman doon sa CSB with 22 points. Kaya lang he was down after the collision with Peñaverde.
Ito siya.
Doon sa ano niya.
That left knee is being iced.
Oo. Dito naman sa JRU, it was Sean Argente. Nung walang nangyayari on their offense, he just took the ball, ran a simple ball screen on top. He took one-on-one over Morales. He scored his first 2 points dito sa third quarter natin. And then, one dribble pull-up naman doon dito sa may right side natin. Tapos yung tres na yun. Tapos lang mangyari.
Without Sean Umali, who will Benil go to?
This
is Celis with the basketball. He attacks and he scores out the cup.
Grabe yung libid niya bigli, no? Rafi Celis ay talaga naman lumipad doon.
Athletic drive from Celis. Argente. They go to Lorenaria. Dinidikitan ni Matthew Oli. Lorenaria, Argente. Argente, no. Eusebio. Crouch the board. Ancheta. Celis. Binalik. Napunta kay Sanchez. Saved by Argente. And here comes Sean. Bringing the ball down. Lozano lets it fly. Tapos. Good bother from Sanchez. Back the other way we go. Blazers will wait. It's Jomel Ancheta looking for options.
Sanchez. Justin Sanchez at the post.
Celis, who's been making things happen. Celis draws the foul on Castillo. So now they're going to their top scorer in the first matchup, Rafi Celis. Okay, let's hear a quick report. Ito yung injury update mula kay Fatima Reyes. Fatima.
Martin at Bo, update kay Sean Umali. Binigyan niya ako ng isang malaking thumbs up dahil nabaksakan lang daw ang kanyang tuhod at na-hyperextend kaya kasulukuyan itong ni Yellow. Pero sabi niya sa akin, pipilitin niyang makabalik sa larong ito. Balik sa inyo.
Thanks, Fatima. Great news if you are a Benilde student or fan. Kasi
he needs to be back.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Sa ganda ng ilalaro niya, hindi pwede masa-sideline na siya.
At saka nakita mo, nung nawala si Sean, ang laki yung mata ng JRU.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba? Nung nawala si Sean Umali, it was a 10-point lead. Pagkaupo ni Sean Umali, it was a 5-0 run by Sean Argente naman.
That's right. So now it's back up to 9:56 to 47. The key now for JRU though is they gotta convert.
Yes.
Diba?
Hindi pwedeng makikipag-siso battle ka dahil CSB has the upper hand dito sa ball game natin.
Lorenaria draws the foul on Sanchez.
He was challenging Justin Sanchez. Itong si Lorenaria. He doesn't care who is defending him. Basta siya kahit sino ka pa, wala akong pakialam sa'yo, atakihin kita. Diba?
Walang veterano. Tahimik pa rin itong si Alan Lorenaria sa laban natin. He's only taken 3 shots, 4 points, and 4 rebounds so far, or 3 rebounds for Lorenaria. And he connects on the first. Let's see if this trip can get him going.
Oh, it's him. It's Lorenaria and Salvador ang medyo tahimik na dito sa ball game natin. But they were dishing out.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
they were involving their teammates doon sa mga pasa nila.
You're right. Salvador only has 2 points. Oh! Miscom. This is recovered. 10 on the 24. Oli. 4-3 off the dribble. Too strong. Lozano comes away with it. There's Justin Lozano against Torres. Salvador.
Inabot.
Blocked by Eusebio. But there is a whistle.
Inabot. Inabot din ng foul. Inabot.
And you immediately saw the reaction from Coach Charles.
Yes. He was really mad. Meron.
Inabot yung kamay.
Meron. But it was already a release shot already. Pero it's a follow-through kasi. It is a follow-through kasi. So it's still part of the shooting hand.
Yeah, they'll call that.
Yeah.
So,
It's
3
part
shots.
of it's part of the shooter's hand. So
3 shots for Sean Salvador. No problem on the first. Ito rin yung disadvantage para sa Benilde. Si Sean Salvador na nagsastruggle sa laban natin will be given 3 free throws. We'll see the ball
pwede
go
pang
through
buhay
the basket.
Yeah. Pwede pang buhay
Yun.
for Salvador dito sa ball game natin. Kasi nga, he was struggling. But yun nga, kanina pa lang sinasabi na he was creating for his teammate.
That's right.
Kaya okay lang din niya.
Nakaka-attract din siya
Pero
ng depensa.
this might be the start for Sean Salvador.
3 free throws for Sean. Ball pressure applied by JRU. They used out the challenge earlier, so
Wala na. Kasi Coach Nani's player was asking for a review again.
yeah,
Ganon sila ka-sure. Pare na.
kanila yan.
Oo, na i-review natin.
Matioli.
Ito, they go to Justin Sanchez at the post, going 1-on-1 against Panapanaan.
To the corner they go. Eusebio misses. Lozano
Ayun
collects.
lang.
Justin is ahead. It's a foot race.
Oh, wow.
And Oli commits the foul.
Oo. Long shot, long rebound. Kaya lang walang depensa doon yung lahat ng tao ng CSB ay pumasok for the offensive rebound. Kaya naman, mag-isa. Itong si Lozano nakakuha ng bola doon. Kaya hirap na rin makarecover itong si Oli to defend Lozano.
You immediately felt the effect of Umali's absence.
Yes.
Dahil ito.
If he makes this second one, it's only a 2-point basket.
Yeah.
Paglabas si Sean Umali kanina, it was a 10-point lead.
Precisely. Lozano, 2 for 2.
Dalawa na lang. From the high of 10, bumaba sa dalawa. Ito yung full court pressure ng JRU. Ang bibilis eh.
Oo. Nakabalik na kaagad. Inot.
Short. Ito na naman.
Panapanan. Salvador. Castillo.
Wow.
Yes. All tied up. Second deadlock of the game. A 56 apiece.
Yes.
1 minute left in the third quarter. Gaspay and Castillo magkikiskisan. Let's see what happened. This is a great play in transition for JRU. Castillo going in between the two defenders.
Sabi ng ating Sultan of Stats dito, it's a 9-0 run by JRU. Grabe, 9-0.
Kaya ipinasok na si Sean Umali.
Ito na. Let's see what kind of impact will Sean will bring in today's in this last 48 seconds of the third quarter.
Okay, guys, is tuned in. Sean had to set out with a hyperextended knee. Pero ngayon, he looks okay. Torres, Enot, want to shoot. Needed to take it. No, stop for JRU. 31.9. And that's an important stop, Big Bo, because you're giving JRU a chance to take the lead and momentum papunta sa fourth quarter.
Yes, sir. Oh. They were already behind in this third quarter. Pero dahil nga dun sa urgency nila to... Ayun naman!
Big-to-big action. Banabanan scores underneath.
Yun ang disadvantage mo if they double the ball screen and then you look for the big in the middle. Pag drive, it's a 2-on-1 between Castillo and Umali, and then he finds Panapanaan dun sa baseline. Tony Enot.
With a fire extinguisher. That ends JRU's 11-0 run. And more importantly, it gives the lead back to the Benil Blazers at the end of the third. It's a one-point game between these two teams. Should be an exciting finish ahead. Magbabalik po kami para sa huling quarter ng laban ng Benil Blazers at JRU Heavy Bombers. Welcome back to the coverage. We're about to begin the fourth quarter. Tony Enot ending the third in style. A buzzer beater to give them back the lead.
Lamang na ng dalawa ang JRU. Pero may ibang plano itong si Tony Enot. They regained back the lead at 1-point lead dito sa to start the fourth quarter.
Here we go, Martin Javier. Big Bo Belga taking you through this coverage. Mamaya maririnig ulit natin yung report ni Fatima Reyes. Quarter scoring. Benil was behind in the third.
Sayang. They already got the rebound. It's Castillo and Lorinaria. Kaya lang hindi sila nagkaamuyan doon. Kaya naman napupunta na naman sa CSB ang bola.
John Melancheta, Justin Sanchez, Sean Umali, Moen Morales, and Tony Enot, the five on the floor for the Blazers. Big Sean. Ancheta. Ancheta attacks. Misses. Umali collects. And it'll stay with Benil with 12 on their clock.
Yun naman yung positive side. If Sean Umali's there. Kasi nga, if anybody misses, mahihirapan kung isa lang ang babox out kay Sean Umali. Ito na naman si Sean. Malakas lang.
Enot. Catch and shoot. Tony.
Short.
One more time. Lalapit. Ilalabas. Morales. No.
Wala.
Ancheta tracks it down. Another chance for the Blazers. Double team for Sean. And it's against Lorinaria as we pass it to our courtside reporter na may istorya sa atin dito sa ating huling quarter. Go ahead, Fatima.
Martin at Bo, kung kanina naging paalala ni Coach Charles sa Blazers na huwag silang patulog-tulog, dito naman sa panay nag-Heavy Bombers, isang salita din ang naging paalala ni Coach Nani at ito ay gising. nandito na naman daw sila sa posisyon kung saan depensa ang magiging sandalan. Kaya wag daw nilang hayaan na mangyari ang pagbitaw nila sa depensa kagaya ng nakaraan nilang laro. Now the Heavy Bombers have to continue to play the fast-paced game to help them catch up in this quarter. Martinendo.
Thank you so much, Fatima. That's a challenge right now for JRU, especially with Sean O'Malley back on the floor.
Yes.
We'll see if they'll wake up here.
He was talking about the defense. They need to rely on their defense. But in the couple of possessions, successful itong CSB to make a basket. And speaking of defense, ayun, supalpal ni Justin Sanchez itong si Salvador.
Suffocating defense played by the Blazers. Salvador will take a breather. Garupel is back in the fold alongside Sean Argente. Panapanan. Argente for three. No. Ancheta snatches the board.
Nandun na naman sa position sana itong si Loriano.
Enot. Big Sean. Easy deuce. 24 points for Sean.
It's just a simple ball swing on the side between Enot and O'Malley. Sa ganda ng nilalaro nitong dalawang to, hindi na alam ng JRU kung sino didepensa nila. Kaya naman libre-libre doon sa roll itong si Sean O'Malley. And na-finish niya yun.
Balik sa ating laban. Cutie Cam. Oh, this is ano? Sanin Preta. Yan. Sanin Preta, hawak mukha ni Benitez. Yan. Oh. Great to see everybody here watching. All made up?
May hiya pa no?
Yan. Yan ang slide. This time on Binyut's side. This is happening right behind Binyut's bench. Hello, hello. Ito kaya, ayun, di niya alam. Sasabihan kaya siya. Sasabihin niya dapat.
Huwag na lang.
Huwag na lang,
Huwag na lang, para sa tayo nakapokus sa TV.
Kunwari, nonchalant, masungit. Ayan. But
kasi yung iba niya, pagka nakikita, binibidyo pa eh.
Binibidyo. Nakaabang na.
Nakaabang na.
Di ba? Ito, chill. Sanay kami. Uy. 5-point lead. Sean O'Malley. Take away by Sean.
He's doing everything. Ito si Sean O'Malley. Rebounding. Defending. Getting the steals. Shot blocking. Especially making baskets.
Ito siya.
Ayun
siya naman natapigan.
Ayun lang. Medyo nabagsaan niya itong si Garupil. That's why itong mga referee natin they signal natapikan.
Ito, lost the ball.
Natuunan niya. Yung tuhod yung Garupil. Sa bigat ni Sean O'Malley, pag tinuunan mo yung tuhod na ganyan ni Garupil, talaga namang malaki ang impact dito sa player.
Na may momentum na gano'n, ano?
Yes. Kaya naman, itong mga referee natin, they're gonna review it. If it's gonna be a regular foul.
But it wasn't, Sean intentionally diving.
Yes.
Hindi naman. Going for the foot. Sige. They confirmed the unsportsmanlike foul.
Nothing intentional. It was an accident. Pero kasi
doon siya talaga lalabag
doon talaga ang bagsak niya yun lang talaga ang babagsakan niya. Kaya lang yun niya, medyo maano yung effect dito kay Garupil. kahit sino naman siguro eh.
Oo.
Pag nabagsakan ni Sean O'Malley.
Kahit gaano ka konti yung contact, ano?
Oo. Pagka si Sean O'Malley ang babagsak, maximum tolerance ang abot dun sa kalaban.
At malaki to para sa JRU.
Yes. Because they
2
have
free throws plus possession.
Yeah.
And they're down by 5 here.
Ayan na.
By the way, the Heavy Bombers, 15 out of 20 from the line.
They are only down by 3.
So here they come. Let's see if they can take advantage.
It is a striking distance for them at 3. 3-point lead. They make a basket on this one. Mag-iiba to.
Argente goes around the defense. Step through.
Wow!
Lalim. Oh, Tippin is off.
Sayang.
Ang lalim ng dukot doon ng Argente.
Yun yung mga mala Richie Rivero na mabilis biglang mabagal eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Favorite mo, ni Richie Rivero.
Not step back. No.
Ito
Sean
na naman,
taps it out. Again, he is involved.
Keeping the ball alive for his team.
Ancheta is being hounded. 5 to work with. There's a foul.
Basket. Para dito
Counted.
kay Jumel Ancheta.
So, Benilde making a living out of these second chance opportunities.
Kung na-shoot ni Sean Argente yun, papasa isa, nagbabago to, Brad. Nagbabago.
Iba. Ibang kompleksyon.
Ito, bumalik na naman sa 5. Namintis lang ni Ancheta yon.
So it's a 2-possession game. Long way ahead. Garupil. 6.5 to go in the 4th quarter. Sean Argente, Pinoy step na naman. Wala pa rin. Ancheta gets a handle on it.
Ang hihirap mo tinitira ni Sean Argente. Talagang binabali niya doon.
They go to Tony. Laki ng bantay niya. Inot will back down. Inot.
Wala.
A good steady defense by Lozano.
Ganda ng depensa ni Lozano doon against Tony Inot. They were trying to test the defense of Lozano against Tony Inot doon sa poste, but he was successful on that possession. Ito naman si...
And Lozano will be fouled, so...
Ngayon naman, si Tony Inot naman ang sinubukan ni Lozano. Kaya lang foul si Tony Inot doon.
Again, first game back for Justin Lozano after being out for 4 games.
After that crazy fall
Yeah, that's
by
right.
Lozano. It's a scary one though.
Sasabihin ko lang masakit kapag nabagsakan ka ni Sean O'Malley. Pero kahit ikaw yung tumama kay Sean, masakit
pa rin,
yan.
Brad. Masakit pa rin. Masakit pa rin. Kahit sabihin mo tumama ka
Konti lang. Maramdaman mo yung impact. Lozano nagpakawala. Rebound secured by Big Sean. And O'Malley now has a double-double, 24 points and 10 rebounds.
Yun yung inaano natin kanina na minimum tolerance kay Sean O'Malley. Pero pag doon sa tinamaan, maximum tolerance ang kakabutin.
That's right.
Masakit sa katawan.
Ancheta. Oh, what a pass! Sanchez on the roll.
Ganda nung hanap na yun. To ang ating Justin Sanchez. Kaya naman, taas na naman sa 7 ang kalamangan nitong CSB.
That's been the story here for JRU. Hindi hustong makalapit. Turnover on them. Big Sean secures the basketball for his 3rd steal. 67-60.
Good intention by Laureano pero hindi ready yung big man niya doon.
Ancheta with the open look. Ancheta knocks it down. Joel Ancheta with some magic in the 4th quarter. And the lead has ballooned back to 10 points, 70-60. The Heavy Bombers are in a bit of a dry spell right now, and the Blazers are taking full advantage. Look at that pass from Ancheta to Sanchez inside. Dito naman, si Jumel na yung pumuntos mula sa 3.
Ngayon naman hindi mo na kailangan pag-isipan pa yon. Mag-isa ka na doon ititira mo na lang talaga. Kaya naman, balik sa 10 ang kailangan ng CSB.
The Heavy Bombers,
11-2 score, scoring dito sa ating ball game. Ang score pa lang nitong JRU is yung free throw ni Garupel from that unsportsmanlike foul by Sean Umali.
That's right. So JRU hasn't been able to score from the field in the first 5.5 minutes of the 4th quarter. Sanlea Peñaverde, mga bagong muka para kay Coach Nani Pondulan.
They need to make a basket ngayon dahil nga lumalayo ito with 4 minutes in this ball game.
Justin Lozano still couldn't find a basket here. Lozano in his return, 0 out of 5 from the field.
Medyo out of rhythm pa itong si Justin Lozano. But he was trying. Kaya lang yun niya. He shot like pangatlong air ball na
Yeah, that's right.
Or short.
Celis, they swing it out. Under 4 minutes left in the ball game. Ancheta surveys. Late clock for Benilde. Ancheta. Oh, what a pass again.
Muntik na yun.
Yeah. Alert itong si Sean Salvador. JRU needs to score. Bounce pass to Benitez.
But needed basket para dito sa JRU dahil nga lumalayo at 10 ngayon balik sa 8. They need to step on the gas right away kasi nga 3 minutes and 20 seconds na lang dito sa 4th quarter.
And they need some stops. Whoa!
Backcourt violation. He stepped on the half-court line.
So the Heavy Bombers tightening the screws on the defensive end, forcing that turnover.
Yes. They were pressuring the CSB. Ayun. Maapak sa linya.
Good commitment by Sean Salvador to bother Salis at midcourt. Peñaverde has Inot on him. Sanlea to Herrera for 3. No. Umali with the rebound. That's rebound number 11 for Big Sean.
Sayang yun.
Inot to Sean. Ito na siya. Umali off the glass and in. 26 and 11 for Umali.
Parang season high na yata or career high na yata ito para kay Sean Umali at 26.
Salvador.
Medyo tentative itong si Salvador doon sa isang possession na yun.
Oh. Peñaverde. Pinag-iisipan to again. JRU. Talagang hirap na hirap pumuntos sa 4th quarter.
Wala silang mapuntahan eh.
Bounce pass. There's a foul.
Wala silang mapuntahan. Walang mag-take over sa kanila dito sa 4th quarter natin. It's really a dry for the offense of JRU. Ito yung atake ni Sean Umali. Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi natin kailangan madaliin.
Raise the roof. And so, safe to say this is a career high for Sean Umali, 26 points.
Wow.
That's a big output.
But needed performance for Sean Umali dahil nga they want to solidify their spot at the number 2 position dito sa Group B natin. And with a win today, I think it's secured to say na they're
have a good chance.
They
Yeah.
have a good chance on the top 2 spot. Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan natin.
Final 2 minutes. Benilde ahead by 8 points. JRU is 1 out of 12 from the field in the 4th. Ancheta gets to his spot, finding Sanchez again.
Hindi na kailangan tumira pa eh. May mga teammates siyang naandun. Sayang.
Costly turnover for the Heavy Bombers.
Yun naman yung hindi mo ma-afford. Ito yung gis ni Ancheta kay Sanchez. Very quiet in this ball game.
Here's Jomel.
Not the usual offensive line for Justin Sanchez, but they are good. Kasi nga, they're on the upper hand. With Sean O'Malley and Tony Inot leading the way.
Just 6 points, 4 rebounds for Sanchez, but O'Malley is carrying the load. 28 points for Sean O'Malley.
Tuloy-tuloy ang pananalanta ni Sean O'Malley dito sa 4th quarter na sa ball game natin. Especially dito sa second half. 15 in the first half.
Yeah. 13
13 dito
half.
sa second half. But look at the plus-minus of Sean O'Malley. Plus 25.
That's the impact he has had in this game. And again, that's been the glaring weakness of JRU dun sa front court nila. And they just exposed that with Sean O'Malley.
Na-expose kasi ano pa lang eh. Early second quarter natin, they were running something for Sean O'Malley talaga at the post. And he's really successful. Ito naman yung couple of baskets para dito sa JRU.
Si Lorenaria with a point. 8 points for Alan, pero 10-point lead pa rin para sa Benilde inside the final minute.
Look at the 4th quarter scoring, 17-8. Ayun na naman yung pasa ni Uy!
It's been Jomel Ancheta doing the facilitating. And he has made the right decisions in this 4th quarter, Big Sean. Big Bo.
Actually, he's been the facilitator dito sa ball game natin. Ito yung atake ni Lorenaria. Hinihingi pa siya ng ball doon.
Yeah. And Josh Kahukong just missing on the line. But the Blazers,
if Kahukong misses this free throws, they need to go on a fast offensive attack right away.
And interesting for JRU, they don't have the 2 shots on the court.
Yun ang hindi. Ayaw!
Lorenaria. O'Malley bothers the shot. Duque.
They were forcing the shot. They were just forcing it.
And the Blazers in the driver's seat here.
With 25.4 seconds. With a 10-point lead. It's safe to say that CSB will win. Most likely.
So with the win.
Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam. Baka may ibang plano pa itong JRU, di ba? But they need to make a basket right now. Yun yung mga hindi dapat mangyari.
Sikip nung ilalim.
Masyado matagal.
And that's all she wrote in this ball game. The Blazers will just dribble this one out.
It's a 10-point lead. 17-8. 4th quarter scoring para dito sa CSB and JRU.
So the Blazers pick up their 8th win of the season and solidify that number 2 spot. They're inching closer to securing a twice-to-beat advantage with Sean O'Malley performing like this. Monster numbers. 28 points, 12 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals, and 3 blocks.
Wow. All around performance for Sean O'Malley. And you were expecting it. Without Allen Liwag, he is the next big guy in the rotation of Coach Charles. And good thing he responded in today's ball game. Badly needed win for CSB.
That's right. Let's listen to the Lasallian hymn. Ten-point win for the Benil Blazers, and they move up 8-4 in our team standings. Mga kapuso, we're just beginning our post-game coverage. When we return, we'll talk to Coach Charles Chu of Benil.
Emergency evacuation protocol, playtime.